don't know I was in the jam. A little bird told me. What little bird?
This little bird.
How did you know I was in the jam?
Little birds know everything.
Did you know I was in the jam yesterday?
Sure I did. And all the little birds have known it all the time.
You have? Well, how'd you know?
Well, that's a secret. But I will tell you both if you promise not to tell.
We'll never tell, will we? Never.
Well, down the road there's a big hill. And over that hill there's a big forest. And way back in the forest is where all the little birds live.
Hello. He is? Who? When? Where? Okay. Pinchell. Big story down the street. Go after it. Get a picture. Hurry back. you got? Let's see it. Atta boy, Walter. I knew you could do it. Boy, what a scoop. Great. Have a cigar. Start the presses. We'll put out an extra.
And that's how all the little birds knew that you were in the jam.